Hi everyone, and welcome back to Morning Cup. We are here for the healthy and nut-free recipes on the cooking segment, and this week we are cooking a vegan barbecue cauliflower crust pizza. Get ready for this one. So the ingredients you're going to need to make this amazing pizza is cauliflower crust. You can get it at any local grocery store, barbecue sauce of any kind that you want. In addition to that, you're going to need red bell pepper, green onion, garlic, as well as spinach, Daiya cheese, because we're keeping it vegan. In addition to that, tempeh, to give it a little bit of meat, but that's vegan. So I'm so lucky today because I have my amazing assistant, my boyfriend, that's going to be helping me cook. We love cooking together, so if you want to grab a partner, it might be a lot more fun too. So first, we are going to cut a quarter of the red bell pepper, because it might be a little bit too much, that's the whole bell pepper. And then we're going to wash the green onions real quick, just rinse them off. So then you're going to cut off the top part of the green, not the white, of the green onions, and then go throw them away. And then we're going to chop up the spinach. Once we slice up the red bell pepper, you're going to dice it up too. Just the little pieces are always easier to eat on a pizza. To dice up the green onion, you want to get a good amount so it can spread all over the pizza. Now comes the fun part. Grab your cauliflower crust and your barbecue sauce and a piece of wax paper to put underneath the crust just so it doesn't spill everywhere. As you pour the barbecue sauce on, put a good amount, and then grab any utensil or spoon. We're going to use a spoon for this one, but spread it around. You might realize that there's not enough barbecue sauce, so just pour a little bit more if necessary, just whatever your liking is. Next, you're going to grab some Daiya cheese. We're using Daiya cheese just because I like vegan things a little bit more. You can use regular if you would like. So we're going to start to spread that on. Next, you're going to grab your spinach and spread it evenly throughout around the pizza. And after that is placed nicely, you can add the green onions. And now for the red peppers that were diced up, you're going to sprinkle those on top of the pizza. And you might have some left over on the cutting board. You can just swipe them right onto there as well. So instead of using a fresh garlic, which you absolutely can, we're going to use minced garlic and just sprinkle that right on top of the pizza. And then you're going to grab your protein. So we're going to grab our tempeh, and as we are putting it on the pizza, we're going to make sure to rip it apart a little bit to spread it evenly to make sure every single slice gets enough of it. And to complete all the toppings on the pizza, the last step of this is to get your cheese. We use Daiya cheese, like I mentioned earlier. You can use any other alternative cheeses or any cheese that you would like, but we're going to sprinkle it all over the top to make it extra cheesy. And then we are going to set the oven. So you're going to set the oven for 425, and once your pizza's all topped and ready to go into the oven, you're going to bake it for 14 minutes. And that is how you make vegan barbecue tempeh cauliflower crust pizza. That is a mouthful, and it was really delicious too. So I hope you enjoy it. Let us know if you love it as much as we do. And thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting below. And we can't wait for you to see the next recipe and our next video. So we'll see you on the next one.